Craving something sweet and nutty? Let's make delicious homemade baklava! Here's what you'll need. For the baklava, 12 to 16 sheets of Phyllo pastry, 100 grams of walnuts, 100 grams of pistachios, 100 grams of pine nuts, 100 grams of almonds, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and half to 3/4 of a cup of melted butter. For the syrup, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rosé water, and the juice of 1 lemon. Step 1. Chop your nuts and mix them with cinnamon for that warm, spiced flavor. Step 2. Layer Phyllo sheets in a pan, brushing each one with melted butter. Step 3. Add a layer of the nut mixture. Repeat with more Phyllo, butter, and nuts until all layers are done. Step 4. Cut into diamond shapes and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Step 5. While it bakes, make your syrup. Simmer water, sugar, honey, rose water, and lemon juice for 10 minutes. Step 6. Pour the hot syrup over the fresh baklava and let it soak. And there you have it. Crispy, nutty, and oh so sweet homemade baklava perfection. Try it today and impress everyone with your baking skills. Like and subscribe for more recipes.